the ongoing trial of a member of the Wagner family accused in the 2016 Pike County massacre.
Our Local 12's James Pilcher has been covering this case and reports now from Waverly on whether George Wagner IV still faces murder charges and the death penalty.
Wednesday's hearing over the fate of George Wagner IV hinged on the confession of his younger brother Jake, who pleaded guilty to all charges in April. Special Prosecutor Angela Canepa started the hearing with a major revelation.
The state is willing to agree that that George Wagner was not the shooter of any of the 8 individuals.
4 members of the Wagner family have been charged in the 2016 killings of 8 members of the Roden and Gilley families. Jake and George's mother, Angela, already pleaded guilty to several charges, including conspiracy to commit murder. George's defense lawyer, John Parker, argued it's unfair George still faces the death penalty and murder charges. That's because in an ongoing plea negotiations, Jake has confessed to killing 5 of the victims, but says George did not kill anyone.
The state made a deal with the devil, basically. And now he's the person that is most responsible for this. He's the actual killer. He's the actual shooter. He's the one that snuck into these homes in the middle of the night and shot the victims in the head.
Under Jake's deal with the state, George will not face the death penalty if he pleads or if Jake testifies against him. Today, prosecutors stated that Jake exonerated his brother, but stopped short of saying they agree with him.
We are not stipulating that George did not shoot anybody because we don't know that. I know he says we made a deal with the devil. Unfortunately, there's more than one devil in this case, and that is all 4 of the individuals who are charged.
Judge Randy Deering ruled for the prosecution at the end of the hearing. That means that George Wagner still faces 8 counts of aggravated murder and the death penalty if his brother Jake doesn't testify, much like his father, who also has yet to plead in the case. In Waverly, James Pilcher, Local 12.